If you love fresh, bright Mediterranean flavors, I've got 5 quick fish recipes you can make tonight. Fast, nourishing, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Keycap 1 lemon garlic cod, fast and flaky. Whisk together fresh lemon juice, melted butter, extra virgin olive oil, and minced garlic. This is your flavor base. Simple, bright, very Mediterranean. Season flour with paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. Dip cod into the lemon mixture, then lightly dredge in the seasoned flour. Sear just until golden, not fully cooked. Pour the remaining lemon sauce on top and bake 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Flaky, buttery, citrusy, the perfect weeknight cod. Keycap 2 Greek herb salmon, bold flavor, U.S. favorite. Make a quick Greek-inspired herb sauce. Lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, fresh dill, dried oregano, and olive oil. Season a salmon fillet with salt and black pepper. Add cherry tomatoes and sliced green onions around it. Pour the herb sauce generously over everything. Bake 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This dish is bright, herby, and beautifully tender. Keycap 3 sheet pan halibut and veggies, 1 pan dinner. Mix lemon juice, zest, olive oil, garlic, oregano, coriander, and black pepper. Toss tomatoes, green beans, and onions in the sauce. Cut halibut into strips and coat in the same mixture. Spread everything on a sheet pan so it roasts evenly. Bake 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 pan. No mess. Pure Mediterranean comfort. Keycap 4 tomato, onion Mediterranean fish sauté sliced onions in olive oil until soft and golden. Add garlic and crushed tomatoes. Season with oregano, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Simmer for 10 minutes until thick and fragrant. Season your white fish with salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin. Nestle the fillets into the sauce and bake 10 to 15 minutes. Finish with parsley and lemon. This one is hearty, warm, and incredibly satisfying. Keycap 5 garlic Dijon salmon, simple and rich. Whisk olive oil, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, paprika, and red pepper flakes. Place salmon on parchment and spoon the sauce over each piece. Tint lightly with foil for gentle cooking. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then broil for the last minute. Top with fresh dill. Elegant, tangy, and packed with flavor. 5 fast Mediterranean fish recipes. Bright flavors, simple ingredients, and nourishing meals you can enjoy any night of the week. If you're exploring a gentler path to healthier eating, and you want something that feels natural, comforting, and sustainable, I've added a link below that many people have found helpful on their wellness journey. I'll see you in the next one.